Good morning. Jeez. Yeah, totally forgot again that Monday's a weekend or a holiday, and you can already see the volume on this opening price action. You can already see the effects of that. Very, very weak, slow opening. So today might be a short stream. We'll see. I doubt. I mean, if this is the opening, I doubt we're gonna get much, but maybe. Anything can happen, right? Anything's possible, as the Celtics said. So I'll stick around, wait for something. I feel like my audio is always quiet. Is this better? Testing, testing. Might be a little better. Morning, Vikery. Turbognostics, please like this vid. Let's smash today. Thank you, Turbo. Good morning, Malvin. It's good. All right. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning, David. Okay. Hold on. We're getting some movement here. Little order block there. Not an order zone, but an order block. Mustafa, good morning. Ravik, good morning. There's a 30-second chart here. Like I said, might be a slow day. We'll see. 29,210 looks interesting. 29,220 looks interesting. It's a 30-second order block right now, though. I guess you could make the argument it's a small order zone. But I don't know if I want to trade that. What's up, Amarester? Blue Monday, good morning. Yeah, 210. This midline looks interesting, potentially. Maybe I will take it, just for the heck of it. What's ATR? 27? Wow, ATR is not even that small. Price action is very wiki right now. Amor. Okay, yes. Amor. Got some orders up there at the highs. Looks like we want to get up there. No, here comes giant freaking dump. Big orders at 200 now. I think I'm gonna hold off on this trade. It's a Friday. Let me not mess with this weird little order zone. Could end up working out, but it's just not what I like to see. Two 12-ish. That area is where it should turn around if it is going to turn around. If it just, yeah. And there's, yep, boom. My gut was correct. Again. My gut has been pretty good today, or lately. I just had that feeling that this thing was looking heavy. It's also just, like I said, a really small order zone. And when it's really small, it's just easy to just kind of have volatility spike in and just wick you out of everything. See, like it's still technically held, right? It still held the midline, but the volatility was too much that it just wicked through. Would have stopped me out. So that's why I don't like trading the really small order zones. Oh my God. Oh my God, you're right. Today is Thursday. Today is not Friday. Did I just say it's Friday? Oh my God. I I told you guys yesterday on stream, I don't keep track of the days. I don't know what month it is. I'm just lost in space, man. I don't know why I thought today was Friday. I think I literally just saw this price action on the opening and assumed it was Friday just because of how slow that was. But no, yes, today is Thursday. I knew today was Thursday too because I have a haircut and dentist appointment today, which is Thursday. Man, if today is looking like this, then tomorrow's gonna look horrible. Let's see if there's any news today. Iran's supreme leader has ordered that near weapons-grade uranium must stay in Iran. Okay. And any news? We have 9:45 news. Flash manufacturing PMI. Flash services PMI. And that's it. How much micro contracts do you trade? I trade one mini contract, but I risk very little on each trade. Sorry for this loud typing. I'm trying to make a thumbnail. Loudest typer ever. Oh, I forgot. I also made my microphone louder, so that was probably super loud. Holy crap! Let me lower this a little bit. Testing, 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 testing. Okay, that's a little bit better. Oh, wait. This may have been an order zone that I just missed out on. Meh. Meh. Not really. Right now it's just chop, so waiting for a breakout of this range, and then can look for something. Chop, 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 chop. Been in this range since 5 a.m. Yeah, since like 6:30. Let's see. Yeah, there's orders on both sides of the book map as well, so hard to tell where price is going to go right now. Kind of crazy. Oh my god, this is so bad. There's not much to do. Just going back and forth. Oh, there's some big orders there. Let's see, maybe we break lower. Okay. Jesus, man. All right, well, now we're getting some actual movement, so there we go. Wick up, take out the highs. Oh my god, are we just going to go back into the range? Was this just all manipulation? Yeah, now it's just gonna go to all these orders. Either fill these and just keep rocketing, or reject and give a pullback. Very strange price action. Yeah, that Supreme Leader news is... I don't think that just came out, because I read that first thing in the morning, so I don't know what... Maybe something else came out. What song you humming? Oh my god, what song is it? Freaking System of a Down. System of a Down, I forget the song name. We Are the Ones. We Are the Ones by System of a Down. That song is so good. You know what? I'm going to listen to it. Iran official denies Supreme Leader uranium directive. Okay. Not sure why the markets would go up for that. I do want to listen to this song, but I have to go to the dentist, and when I put on these headphones, I get crazy headphone hair. And I'm not sure if I want to go to the dentist with ugly headphone hair. Seems like today the market decided to be ugly as hell. Yes, so far. I mean, right now, at least we're getting some. Now we're finally getting some movement. Who knows if it's gonna last? Looks like 29,300 was rejected. No order zone yet. Screw it. I'm listening to the song. Wait. No, it's called Aerials. It's called Aerials by System of a Down. Why did Google say we are the ones? What? Aerials by System of a Down. Yes. Yes, Aerials. Okay. Oh my god, it's so good. I can't focus. I just want to listen. Did you enter any trades yet? Nope. No trades. Nothing has been given to me yet. There goes the copyright. Did you enter any trades yet? Wait, I literally just answered that. Turbo, beautiful song. Did I put you on? They're such a good band. That dude is talented. No trades yet. No trades yet. I hope that's not too loud for you guys. I have no idea how loud that is. God, it's so good. I'm definitely not allowed to be playing that song on stream, so we'll see what the repercussions of that are. Gotta stick it to the man, bruh. Big sell order hits around 29,350, that orange line. Yeah, 29,350 has some big orders, but doesn't really mean much right now. Do you know Ramstein? Probably not. Ramstein. Just gonna keep listening to System of a Down now on stream. 2950 order zone. 2950. 29,500. 29. What do you mean 295? 295? Oh, down here 295. Listen to America. Okay, I'm gonna put that on. All right, got it. English version. So I guess the original's in German. Okay, let's see if we can get something. Right now, the only interesting level of liquidity is down there. Could make that argument that that's an order block right before this big random pump. Just a random metal. It's so stupid you can't play music. Imagine how good this stream would be if I could just play any song I wanted. I'd put you guys on. A lot of the big names in NQ are taking a hit. Looks like NQ isn't. All right. Listening to America by Ramstein. Ramstein. Dang, all of you guys know Ramstein. Still nothing to trade here. I'm not going to rant you out, but YouTube can ban your account for playing music, and their AI constantly audits streamers for this. You can get around it by having AI generate music for you. Yes, I'm aware. I mean, the worst that'll happen for me is probably like a warning or something. I think you're allowed to play like snippets, but maybe not. It's pronounced Ramstein. I still can't pronounce it. Ramstein? 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 It sounds like a typical German thing. I'll see. Maybe this stream gets taken down while it's still live. And you guys will never see my account again. I'll just randomly get banned. Just. Rammstein. Rammstein. That's how you say it, huh? Rammstein. 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 Okay. This is so boring, man. There's nothing. Nothing. Maybe. Maybe that, but that's kind of pushing it. Thank you guys. Thank you for teaching me. We got so many Europeans in this in the chat. A lot of Germans. A lot of Germans actually watch me. I see a lot of the people that join the free ebook and stuff are from Germany. Pretty interesting. I didn't know trading was popular in Germany. There's just no orders right now. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is happening too fast. I don't see. The prices are too different right now between MNQ and NQ. I don't see. This is just not clean right now. Yeah, I'm staying out of this. It's just, unfortunately, this happens sometimes where MNQ will wick down lower than NQ actually does, and it kind of just throws the whole thing off. Because I use MNQ on the book map and NQ to actually trade. Does that make sense? No, probably. Oh my god, bro. You got. Oh, what the. Okay, so clearly some news just broke. My great grandfather ran away from Auschwitz on foot all the way down back to Serbia. Holy crap. Respect. They don't make them like that anymore. Okay, Random spike there. Not sure what happened there. Now, I am very interested down here, but I need to see orders. Which I don't right now. Oh my lord. I 200, maybe at 200. This is just moving so fast I cannot think. There's that midline, but there was no orders. See, today's a tricky day. Today's definitely a tricky day. $200 is down here. I'm not comfortable with that either. It's past the midline. Ugh. See, like, there was really no orders sitting here. So it's a little bit hard to predict that. The only thing that it definitely did show was that it was holding the midline, but I didn't want to chase it. This thing might hold though. It might go all the way back up. Yeah. It's looking decent right now, but again, not going to chase it. I was considering 29,210 too, but I didn't pull the trigger. So now I'll just have to wait for a bullish order zone to form in the middle of this somewhere. Maybe on a 15-second chart. We'll see. Doesn't make any sense today. I'm staying out of the market today. Oh, that's probably a great idea. Market is very tricky right now. Look, all the way back down. See if it holds 200. There's 200. Again, I'm staying out of this trade. Just don't like it. It's below the... was below the midline, but now it held. God dang it. It's okay, I can wait. I'll be patient. See, now we're starting to trade below that midline. Usually not a great sign. So this thing is definitely starting to weaken a bit. Might just start shooting down to 29,175 to those orders. Can you enable the watermark on the chart? Oh yeah, and there it goes. Watermark, interval ticker. There she blows. Iran and Oman discussing a permanent Hormuz toll. Iranian and reopening strait will entail countries paying. Okay. Nvidia dropping 2. Oil's going back up a little bit. ES is giving up its gains. Bitcoin not doing much. Yeah, it looks like Nasdaq's taking the brunt of the force right now. Well, now I gotta look for shorts. Shifting the downtrend then? Yes. Yes. What platform do you use? This is TradingView. This is TradingView. This is Bookmap. All right, so just waiting for a short opportunity here. There's not a whole lot. I don't really want to start forcing stuff. That's about the only area I'm interested in. By the way, guys, If you guys didn't catch it, I posted a new video yesterday. YouTube video. Check it out if you did it. I think it's a pretty good one. It's one of those, oh my gosh. It's one of those videos that it's just like 20 minutes of just pure advice. Good advice. Not financial advice, but good advice. On how to build your strategy, how to trade in general, manage your risk. God, I'm over here yawning, sneezing. Ugh, I have to go to the dentist after this stream. I hate the dentist. Does anybody like the dentist? I'm sure there's some freak of nature that likes the dentist. Thank you, Catnip. Turbo, you already watched it? Thank you, brother. Looking for a move back up to this area. All I can do is wait. Better than the guy now? Oh. Yeah, I'm lucky I don't gotta deal with that. Somebody left a comment yesterday saying an order zone is just a swing high or swing low. Let me see if I can find it. Just so I can really make sure that's what they said. Now I can't find it. An order zone is just a swing low or swing high. Yep, that's what they said. An order zone is just a swing low or swing high. You see what I deal with? Are you in a trade? No. Great new vid, mate. Thank you, James. Thank you for watching and giving some feedback. God, this chop is brutal. What's the difference between a zone versus a block, if any? A block Oh, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. No, 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 no. I may have missed this. Might not make it back up there, and if it does, it might just start blowing through this whole area. The entry is definitely in these 30s area. That would be the ideal place to be right now. I was answering a frickin' question. An order block is part of an order zone. Every order zone has an order block, but not every order block is an order zone. that does make sense, but you're gonna have to think about it. Every order zone has an order block, but not every order zone, or not every order block is an order zone. God dang it, I'm gonna miss this trade. No trade on this yet. No trade on this yet. No trade for me. And now the problem that's happening is that the problem is now it's already tested the zone, so if it comes back up, it's just not as good of a setup. Like, this was the entry. This is where I should have entered. I had an order there, but I placed it too late. By the time I placed it, it had already gone. Better to delete the order? Yeah, I did. Did anybody catch that? I mean, she called it out ahead of time, but I didn't take it. All right, you guys are all in almost. Well, no, not all, but a few of you guys are in. I'm rooting for you. If it comes back up, I might try it just because this could be liquidity. It is a very starting to form that clear kind of W shape. But I'd probably be very aggressive with it. All right, I'm looking at like this midline area. I think that's the only place I'm comfortable taking a stab at it. Everyone, if you're in this trade, you should have gone to a break even by now. Don't let this become a loser. And also, this is not financial advice, but just what I would do if I were you guys. We're trading NQ. Scared to say I'm long. Hey, catnip, we all got a 50-50 shot, right? I'm wrong all the frickin' time. It's either going to go up or down, right? There is this giant wick here, which could be acting as a zone as well, higher up in the 20s. What is that? Oh, that's 320. That's way up there. All right, let's see what happens here. Let's see. Oh, I'm filled. Is it just going to rocket ship away? I should be pretty aggressive with this break even because this is already a weakened setup. If we can get a nice red candle here, that'd be perfect. Then I can go to a break even. It's looking strong though. It keeps rejecting. It's looking like it's about to go green. Yeah, I'm not liking this at all. Just let me go to break even, please. Yeah, it's gonna pop. Come on. Just do something. Just slam low or something. Yeah, I don't like this. This is not moving the way that it needs to be moving. Yeah, I'm just gonna scalp that out for a small loss there. Now it's just gonna probably pop right through. Oh my god, I swear to god, if this thing reverses. Closed above the midline. Small loser. See, catnip? Yep, yep. You see? You can be right. Oh my god, bro. Well, I may have gotten stopped out at the top. What an ugly order zone. Closes above the midline and then decides to tank. That sucks. It happens though. Yeah, I got stopped out almost at the top there. Happens sometimes. It's a very small loss. I'm not crying about it, but I'm not liking today's price action. I'm calling it before I do something stupid. Probably a good idea. Yeah, I mean, this thing looked like it was about to explode through the whole zone. Then all of a sudden, the next candle just starts tanking. Looks like 29,250 was where my order should have been, which I was actually contemplating that. It was between 29.45 and 29, or 29. It was between 245 or 250, and I chose 245, unfortunately. Oh, it's just choppiness. Right back up. Wow. I'll take these headphones off now. Try to get rid of the headphone hair. Right back up. Very choppy market right now. Well, guys, if you blew your accounts today, just remember there's a 90% off sale at Apex Trader Funding. At least there's that. Some orders stacking there at 29,250s again. But I'm not taking that. This is the exact price action. This is the exact type of price action that you can just be chopped back and forth in, enter multiple times, lose multiple times. I'd rather just get the perfect bottom or top in one go and it never looks back than try to catch a choppy market. Retest of that midline and reject it again. All right, I'm gonna get rid of the zone just so I don't trade it. I don't feel tempted to trade it. There is still this giant ugly wick up here that technically could be a zone. It's just a ridiculously big zone. And it was that crazy random spike up, which could make it extra effective. Oh, that's where we're topping out right now. Trying to think, do I want to take this trade back up here in like the 55s area where these orders are? I just have a feeling that if we get up there, it's just going to explode through. Yeah, because technically you got liquidity here, but this order block was retested right here. So really, the fresh orders would be above this high. So that's, yeah. Okay, and we're just going back down now. I miss yesterday and the day before, where I was just bottom and top ticking. And now it's just choppiness. What the hell? Oh. Back down. We're still in a downtrend, so I can't really buy this thing. It's just a very choppy swing. Dang. Chop. Try the 5 minute. 5 minutes is just so slow. There's nothing. Maybe. Actually, there is something. You know what? You know what? You might be onto something. Boom. Order block. Boom. Liquidity. Boom. Order zone. But because I'm not trading a 5 minute, I can't have that. Excuse me. I can't have that marked out. Either way, I'm still going to be trading that area if we get there. Look at all these orders down at the low. 29, 115. Might just start free falling down there. I really got stopped out up here. That's crazy. Probably would have been a break-even trade no matter what, though. Man, this is so slow. I don't know what else to do. Look at the 1 hour that candle is horrible. 1 hour. Oops. 1 hour. Yeah. Yeah, not good, not good, not good. Just chop. Just slow price action. But that's okay, you know. Some days are like this. I don't even see any orders where I'm looking. I need to be looking at like the 70s. What's this? 99, 300. I can't enter at 300. There's some orders at 50, 60. Can't do it. Can't take that trade. Oh my god, back down? Come on. So many emails. I get so much crap emails. People just trying to sell me something. The worst are the like 18-year-old like growth operators that they're like they email me saying, "Bro, you're leaving $100,000 a month on the table and I'll help you do it." Get the fuck out of here. No, no, no. The worst are the ones. Okay, so this is the most common one that I get. I get someone DMing me on Instagram asking me, "Do you offer one-on-one mentorships?" And then I click on their profile and it says like marketing executive, brand scaler, social media marketer. So they literally are asking me a fake question just for me to answer, and then they pitch me their terrible service or whatever. Anyways, not that any of you would be interested in that, but I guess this is what happens when I get bored. I don't know what else to talk about. People still ask me where to find me to live trade. Do I not make it obvious enough? Like, does YouTube not show that I'm live? I don't understand. How is it? Like, how do you not know where I'm live? Oil back over 101? Everything just seems to be chopping today. Bitcoin's chopping. Dow Jones, ES, oil, gold, NASDAQ. Just the big fish are not in the pond right now. We need Barron Trump. We need Barron Trump to get in here. Okay, finally, getting some movement. I just know, given how slow this has been, I feel like it's just going to explode randomly, and so I don't want to be shorting right here. I just don't like it. It's also not above this high. I want to go back above this high here. Problem is, there's no orders. There's no orders. All the orders right now are at 60-ish. You know what? Maybe I take 60. Let's see. Where's 60? And okay, are we just going to reject? No way we top out there, right? Waiting on Trump to make a full-scale deployment threat. Then 10 minutes, say a deal is closed, and he'll wait a week. Yeah, that's how it goes. Free, free falling. So now we've retested this zone multiple times. Oh my god, what an ugly day. BTC is in the order block on daily time frame looking for long. I'm right there with you. Check this out. One step ahead of you. Trump is speaking? Oh crap. And down we go. Oh my god. Let's see if I can pull up Trump speaking. Oh god, let me cancel any orders I have because this is starting to look like it wants to do something. More traders are starting to come in. You see how it's starting to move quicker? You see all these orders shifting? At this point, we've just tested this area too many times. If it gets up back to like 55, I feel like it's just going to have to cut through. And right back down. He is set to speak at 11 a.m. Well, it's 11 a.m. now. I guess he's late. $40-point scalps today. Nice, nice. Chart is not the easiest to trade today. Yep. Yeah, if you're scalping back and forth, that's great for today. Didn't take my caffeine today, so I'm yawning. The gum's going in. I need a NeuroGum sponsorship. It would make sense. Traders definitely could benefit from NeuroGum. NeuroGum, if you're listening, hit me up. Sorry that you now hear me chewing gum. I'll move the microphone away a little bit. Big league chew all day? Damn. Not quite as healthy, but we are just back in. Oh, what's going on? I mean, look at this. 5-minute chart is also sideways. Just sideways, sideways, sideways. All right, I'm just going to clear this because I feel like we just got to recalibrate. But I still don't see anything. There's nothing. There's nothing, nothing. Only thing that is relatively clear is this 5-minute order zone. But now we're just moving away from it. Now we're just tanking, so. This is crazy. Hey, we are going into summer markets. Maybe this is the start of it. much I can do here. I gotta wait for a bearish order zone. There's an order block right there, a tiny little guy. Honestly. Okay, well, we're going lower. Might just go all the way down to the 12, 1112. Okay. Where did that come from? Is Trump speaking now? Is that what that is? Ooh, how good would it be if Trump starts speaking right as we enter this order block? Maybe it turns into a bearish order zone, then Trump says something stupid and market tanks. Well, it's not an order zone. So I can't take this trade either. It's a V bottom. And that's why you don't fight V's. Blown out of the water. Okay, this thing might go all the way back up to this. Okay. Hold on. Trump's clearly saying something, right? We're back to this frickin' zone. He hasn't started yet? What? It's 11:14. So what's going on? NVIDIA stock performance is one of the mysteries of the universe. What does that even mean? U.S. Secretary of State Rubio said the Pakistanis will travel to Iran today, and that was at 11:14. That's what just caused that spike. Look at all these sellers still here at the 50s to 60. Why? Excuse me. All right, let's see if it pops through here. I'm almost tempted to take a long right into those sell orders, just because of how many times we've tested this area, but obviously that's not my strategy, so I'm not going to do it. Once we get above like 251-ish, I bet this thing is gonna pop. And then maybe drop, who knows? Pop and drop. Looks like we still can't get there though. Let's see, come on. Look at those orders just sitting there. Still can't get past. Crazy. It's rejected VWAP multiple times. Oh yeah, that's VWAP. Wow. This is getting so much pent up energy that if it does break that the 50s, I feel like it's almost a guarantee it's gonna explode. But of course, there's no guarantees in the market, and whenever you think there's a guarantee, it's probably the exact opposite. So I'll just sit on the sidelines and watch. Ideally, I get orders stacking up here in the 80s. But right now, there's nothing. There's nothing in this area. Only level after is 300. This is crazy. So sideways. All right, is it gonna do it? Is it gonna do it again? Oh my god. Oh. Oh. It's gonna do it. Come on. You're just gonna see it teleport through. Let's see. Right now. Go. No freaking way it's rejecting. How many times have we tested this? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Now, boom, boom, boom. It's gonna explode. Boom. No, still can't do it. Oh, 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 ah. Oh my God. Yeah, it's gonna go. Come on, it's gonna go. I've seen this too many times. Come on. No way. This is a triple top right now. I mean, there's so many people that it would get stopped out if we break these highs that the market just has to. Come on. This is crazy. Wow. It's actually not breaking. Like I said, as soon as something feels guaranteed, it's not. Are we looking for shorts? I am looking for nothing right now. I mean, I am looking for shorts, but not here. I'm waiting for higher prices, which I thought we would get, but we are still just not able to break this magical line here at the 250 area. Kind of crazy. Potential short squeeze if breaks? Yes. That's what I thought was going to happen. I mean, it looked so ready to go, and nope. It looks like a fake out now. So, in fact, you could see the opposite. You could see a long squeeze of people trying to buy this breakout. Now they're trapped. Could see this thing just start to fall off a cliff if that's the case. But there's no way to predict this. I mean, there's just no way. Like, it's just chopping around. It's very difficult to try to predict it. Baron Trump stacks some orders there. Yeah. Right back up. Let's see if we get the short squeeze. This is the market, a type of price action that will literally fleece you just no matter what you do. If you think it's going to break out, it's going to fill your order, stop you out, and then start breaking out. If you think it's going to break down, it's going to fill your order down. Oh, let's see. Let's see. There it goes. Come on. There, yeah, accelerating. Short squeeze, short squeeze, short squeeze. It's filled that 60 level. If 60 holds, this whole thing could hold. We could go all the way down to lows. That's really the last line in the sand. Right now, it actually kind of is holding. Could it be that this whole thing is a fake out? No, right back up. Dum, 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 dum. guys. I may have snuck in a little short attempt there. Just on the off chance that this is a big old fake out breakout. Because if it is, it's going to go all the way back down to the lows. Is this a textbook play? No, absolutely not. But it's a weird day, and so weird days call for weird trades. Let me get rid of this order over here. And it looks like we're going to chop back up, potentially. I'm already at a break even, so it's a free trade. Risky trade, that's why I didn't really feel comfortable. I mean, I did say if 60 holds, this whole thing could hold, so. Let's see. This is starting to look like a fake out, right? All those people that just bought the breakout are now trapped. So let's see if we can get a squeeze of the buyers, potentially. No, I did not say I'm entering. I rarely do say exactly when I'm entering. Because I'd rather be able to focus and enter than have to call out every move I make. But I always highlight the areas I'm looking at. Hopefully went down. Yeah, I mean, whoa. Well, yeah, hopefully. That's all we can do right now is hope, right? It's a weird day, weird price action. A lot of chop. It's not going to be easy. And are we just going to squeeze back up now? It's looking like it. Am I going to get saved by the bell, or is it going to push back up? I can't, if this thing pushes all the way back up after filling those orders and faking out, this market will really not make much sense today. Look at this freaking chop. I mean, what can you do? What can you do in a market that's doing this? Look at this freaking barcode. Oh my gosh. Whichever way it breaks, it's probably going to be a pretty big move. Up or down. I can't believe we're still in this range. We've already filled orders up there at the 55s, 60s. And there it is. All right, well, I tried. I'm definitely not trading anymore today. That was my one and only attempt. So I'll see you guys tomorrow where the you are the liquidity for it to move down. What the hell are you talking about? I was short. What do you mean I'm the liquidity? So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you have your notifications on so you get the notification when I go live tomorrow. Don't forget to get the Simple Trader Playbook, which is the free checklist of the order zone strategy. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. This market is crazy. Tomorrow's probably going to be even worse, so we'll see.